This is a travel vlog. Apparently this was the first time I vlogged. This is Queenstown 2017. I still had no idea how to vlog or let alone film myself. And this clips here should be the end, but I didn't know. I didn't even have enough clips to make this video, but let's see how we go. So pack 3 cameras with me. One RX 100, a 70D for vlogging, and of course the drone. So these are my footage. Some of them are mushy. Anyway, we flew from Melbourne to New Zealand and arrived in the morning. And whoa, it's so good. Looks so great. Glad to be here, but let's start the story. We started at Melbourne, had a late flight, and yeah, didn't have much sleep also prior, and I was bored, so on the way there I tried to do my dance, and I don't even dance. Yeah, got to the plane. Yeah, of course the plane shot has to be there, and the wing shot has to be there. Yeah, travelers. Okay, so seeing Queenstown for the first time, like, whoa, check out those snow-capped mountains, those rivers, those blue glacier waters. Man, first impressions, they were so good. And as we were landing, you can see that river. Nah, so good. You could just imagine my excitement then. Yeah. And touchdown. Of course, you need to do the touchdown whenever you're a noob. And the tarmac footage. Of course, you need to put that in. So excited. Those two. That's a bit cold though. And yeah, mountain bikes. So we went to get a rental and somebody picked us up. So yeah, it's essential that you have a rental, that way you can move around easily. You could do backpacking or just hitch a ride, but yeah, driving is the best way. Check that out. Somewhere. So we arrived in Queenstown. It's raining. It's raining. And it's cold, it's foggy. Man. Foggy, foggy, foggy my heart. Sorry for the audio. I'm just testing this RX 100 Mark 1 for videos. And yeah, it's pretty cold right now. Raining today and tomorrow. I'll see how it goes. Check it later. Went to a vantage point and yeah, look cool. Looks good. What farm is that?
I think it's a lavender farm, isn't it?
It is a lavender farm. Ay, ako pa. Seem to have forgotten my microphone, but yeah.
You seem to. You did forget it.
Look at the view.
Oh my gosh! Look at the trees, man.
Yeah, look at the trees. Yeah, we just arrived here, and again, forgot my jacket.
You reckon we should spend 2 days here?
Yeah, we can. So,
Not. I mean,
forgot my.
I
forgot my jacket. Yeah, I could stay 2 days here. Got my jacket and my. Look at the view of that, whatever that is. So that's the Edith Cavell Bridge, and that is the Shutover River, wherein that jet is having their business. You're gonna go through that from there.
You want to do this?
Yeah, we can.
You want to do it today?
No.
because of the water. The water is so enticing.
It's cold.
I'd be happy with just
Grabe control. So this footage here is just me looking at the boat there and like I'm amazed. It's shallow and it's cruising through it. And imagine that's gonna go through that bridge and near those rocks. We didn't get to ride that boat. Yeah, we didn't find it. It could be fun, but we just didn't go through it. Even the second time we went there, we just passed by and checked it out. That should be amazing, but yeah, we didn't. I was really hoping I could only use the RX 100 today, but I can't resist the Canon, so I brought my Canon 70D, and this is my view now. Look at the sides. Well, you could have guessed after this clip I flew the drone, which goes back to the start of this video. Full circle.